Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we will talk about different trading pairs from Forex, commodity, indices and crypto market that I'm currently focusing on in order to trade. I will talk about the different confluences that we have for these trading pairs and why I'm interested in trading these setups. So friends, let's get started. First of all, we are going to talk about AUSD-CHF. Now, USDCHF, as I mentioned yesterday, also we are in a continuous downtrend. If we start from here, we have the low, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and now the price broke below this lower high. We are still waiting for the price to retrace back to this yellow zone to look for any kind of shorting opportunity. But price has been consolidating for a few days now. So still I'm waiting for the price to enter this high confluence zone. And why this yellow zone is a high confluence zone? Because as you can see, this red zone is a quite strong resistance zone as it tested multiple times. Also, we have this line of the trend channel, which is going to act as a resistance. Both EMAs are going to act as a resistance as well. At the same time, if we check Fibonacci retracement from swing high to swing low, then we see it's a 50 to 61.8 Fibonacci retracement zone. So it's a high confidence zone, friends. I'll be still waiting for the price to enter this yellow zone to look for any kind of shorting opportunity. Let's move to next pair, USDJPY. USDJPY also, friends, it's in a downtrend. We start from the high, low, lower high, lower low. After making this lower low, price retrace back to this red zone and get rejected. And although we did not make a low below this previous low, but still, if the price retraces back to this yellow zone and give us a kind of shorting opportunity, I will try to get in. This yellow zone is a quite we have many confluences in this zone. And what are the confluences? Like, as you can see, this red zone is a quite strong resistance zone as tested multiple times. Also, we have this trend line of the trend channel, which is going to act as a resistance to the price if the price re-enters this zone. Both of these EMAs are also going to catch up with the price if the price retraces back to this zone. And on the top of that, if we check the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low, we see we have 38.2 Fibonacci retracement zone as well. So friends, we'll be waiting for the price to enter this yellow zone to look for any kind of shorting opportunity. Next pair is EURCHF. For the EURCHF as well, if we start from here, we have the high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Here the price break and close below the previous low. Now what we are waiting for? We are waiting for the price to retrace back either to this zone or this zone. Both are the strong resistance zone with multiple confluences. As you can see, both are the strong zone retested multiple times, so they are quite strong resistance zone. If the price, what I'm personally looking at, I'm waiting for the price to enter this zone, which is a high confluence, very high confluence zone. And why, I will explain you why. If you see this trend line of this trend channel is going to act as a resistance to the price if price retraces back to this zone. Also, we have this red zone going to act as a resistance. This EMA, 50 EMA might be going to work as a resistance to the price. And also if we check the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low, we see that it's a 61.8 to 78.6 Fibonacci retracement zone. Also, if you see, we have this trend line which was acting as a support to the price, which is recently broken. Now if the price retraces back to this top yellow zone, then this trend line is also going to act as a resistance to the price. So this is a high confluence zone, but we can also expect the price get rejection, like we also can expect the rejection in this first yellow zone as well. So we will keep monitoring the price once it interact with either this zone or that zone for any kind of shorting opportunity. Let's move to next pair, which is EURJPY. On the EURJPY, guys, it's also in a downtrend. We start from here. We have the low high, and the lower low. After making this lower low, price retrace back to this zone and get rejected from this red highlighted zone. But still, we did not close below the previous low. So I will still be waiting the price to enter this red highlighted yellow zone again and get the rejection to go short. This zone is a quite strong and high confluence zone, because if you can see this red zone retested multiple times, so it's a quite strong resistance zone. On the top of that, we have these EMAs which are going to act as a resistance to the price once the price approaches this zone. If you can see this trend line is also going to act as a resistance to the price. And if we check the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low, we see that it's a 38.2 to 50% retracement. So it's a high confluence zone, friends. We'll be waiting for any kind of shorting opportunity in this yellow zone. Next pair is Euro USD. My internet is a little bit slow at the moment. Now if we check the Euro USD, and if we start from the top, it's also making lower lows and lower highs. Starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We are waiting for the price to enter this yellow zone in order to look for a shorting opportunity. The price did enter, but I could not get an entry. As you can see on the 4 hour, we have this big bearish engulfing candle. Now what I'm waiting for the price to retrace back to this gray zone and get rejection on the 4 hour time frame. So this I'm really looking for on this pair to get an entry. Next we are moving to GBPCAD. GBPCAD, friends, what's happening here? If we start from here, we made a low, lower high, lower low, then we broke above the previous high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Here price did not close below the previous low, so we have a higher high, higher high, and then we have a close above the previous high, so we have a higher high. Now we are waiting for a higher low into this strong support zone. So if the price enter this zone, give us a bullish indication, we will be looking for a long opportunity. And if we talk about the confluences, then we have strong resistance turn support zone. Also we have the EMAs, 20 and 50 EMAs, which are going to act as a support to the price once the price retraces back to this zone. If we talk about the Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to swing high, we can see it's a 50 to 61.8 Fibonacci retracement zone as well. So it's a high confluence zone. If the price retraces back to this level, we will be looking for a long opportunity. So CADJPY is next. CADJPY also making lower low and lower highs. We have the low, lower low, lower high, lower lows, lower high, and here after making this low, friends, price retrace back to the zone and get rejected from here. But till now we did not close below this previous low, so we do not have a lower low at the moment. But now as price is showing some bullish momentum here, if the price still retrace back to this zone, I'll be looking for a shorting opportunity here in this zone. This is a high confluence zone. As we can see, this zone is retested multiple times, so strong resistance zone. Also the moving averages are going to catch up with the price, which and going to act as a resistance. And if we check the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low, we can say it's a 38.2 to 50% retracement zone. So it's a high confluence zone, friends, and we will be looking for a shorting opportunity once the price retraces back to the zone and show any kind of rejection. Last pair is ESP35. ESP35 also making continuous lower lows and lower highs, friends. Starting from here, we have the high, low, lower, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, and the price is close below this previous low, so we have a lower low. Now what I'm waiting for price to retrace back to this yellow zone and give us a shorting opportunity to go short. This red zone is a very strong zone and high confluence zone, because as you can see, we have the multiple retest in this zone, so it's a quite strong. Also, the moving averages are going to catch up with the price once the price retraces back to this zone. Also, we have this upper line of the trend channel, which is going to act as a resistance to the price. And if we check the Fibonacci retracement from swing high to the swing low, then we can say it's a 38.2 to 50% retracement zone. So friends, that's it. These were the trading pairs I'm looking to trade in the market, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you really did, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much, guys. See you in another video.